Hi everybody, it's Julie. Good morning. It is 10 o'clock. And yes, I'm starting to bake early. Good old coffee. Gotta have that coffee. Well, Texas weather's wonky-fied again. You know, you do one thing, it does another. But I'm going to bake. I'm not going to do cleaning today. I'm just going to do some baking. I did baking yesterday too, so I'm not doing it yet. I'm not doing just much of anything. As you can tell, my hair's like a pinkish orange. It's getting remedied today. The color I had I thought was darker, but it wasn't. It was pink orange. So anyway, I'm going to be baking peanut double chip cookies. Peanutty, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna tweak it and make it my own. Because, you know, it's like, I need to get another thing of butter. But anyway, it's like, you can make a recipe your own. All you have to do is substitute. If you don't have something, you can substitute this. Or if you don't have that, you can substitute that. It's different things that you can substitute. Like this is a peanut double chocolate chip, okay? Well, what I'm going to do is instead of using sweet sugar, oh, excuse me, I'm going to use sweetener. I'm not going to use semi-sweet or milk chocolate chips. I'm going to use white baking chips and dark chocolate baking chips. Then that way it's a little bit different. And then it says a cup of peanut butter. It says to use chunky peanut butter. I'm going to use regular. I'm going to spin y'all around and show you what we're all going to be needing. Okay, what we're going to be needing is dark chocolate, white chocolate baking morsels, eggs, peanut butter, flour, stevia, butter, vanilla, baking soda, and brown sugar. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to make this my own recipe, and instead of the chunky peanut butter, I'm going to use creamy. And I'm doubling the recipe. Yeah, I'm going to double the recipe. And I'm probably going to use my KitchenAid cleaner back here, my KitchenAid back here, just for the fact it's really thick. It's going to be really thick, and so I might move y'all this way, and then that way I won't have to put as much strain on my shoulder, because I go back to the doctor on Monday to see what they're going to do to it. I have no clue. I'm scared they're going to want another surgery. Praying they don't. So anyway, here we go.
Far away another day, simple things will come my way. It'd be worth it, stay with me. They will drag us in the dirt, say the things that make us hurt, but I'll never give you up. Burning with love, it will never go away. I will protect you always. Burning with love, that will never go away. I will protect you. Like a love song will remain, like a legend of today, like a bond that never breaks. We are unbreakable. Like a love song will remain, like a legend of today, like a picture in a frame. We are unbreakable. Many nights that we will meet, no one knew our secret street. Countless times you came home. Oh, the circumstances are so intense and so bizarre, but the truth that lies within like a legend of today, like a picture in a frame. We are unbreakable. We are unbreakable. We are like a love song we remain, like a legend of today, like a bond that never breaks. We are unbreakable. Like a love song we remain, like a legend of today, like a picture in a frame. We are unbreakable. We are unbreakable.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
survivor, standing tall amongst the brave. It's time to rise up, yelling glory to the saved. And we fall, we reign, we rise again. The fall, the pain, we try so hard to feel sane. It's all in our brain. Always keeping us restless with the lights, keeping us restless with the lights. Lighting a fire for the night, let it burn, keep inside, keep your spirit up at night. There's a miracle alive. All the pain inside your bones, all the cold inside your homes. You were never all alone, all alone. Restless all the time, feel myself decline, lose myself till my heartbeat stops. But we fall, we reign, we rise again. The fall, the pain, we try so hard to feel sane. It's all in our brains. Always keeping us restless with the lights, keeping us restless with the lights. Always keeping us restless with the lights, keeping us restless with the lights. Always keeping us restless with the lights, keeping us restless with the lights. Always keeping us restless with the lights, keeping us restless with the lights. Always keeping us restless with the lights.
Okay, that's it for the day. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Remember, I will put down in the description the recipe, and I'll put what to use for sugar-free. And because I didn't have the brown sugar, otherwise it would be sugar-free, but and gluten-free because I use gluten-free flour. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all try it out. Let me know in the comments what y'all want to see, what y'all want me to do. I mean, I did write it. I've got a whole lot of videos coming out. I've got to get them out. So y'all probably will see some coming out maybe once or twice a day. I don't know. Maybe once a day for the next 10 weeks. I don't know. I don't know how many I've got. Anyway, we'll talk to you later. See you. Bye.